Imagine if the only thing stopping students from attending college was motivation. Right now, there are a few reasons why people don't attend college and end up going straight to work after high school. The first of which being the cost of tuition. Eliminating the courses that are not required for your specific degree for students will reduce the cost of tuition by a significant amount for the students. This will relieve pressure on the students from having to take out student loans and having to pay them back over time. The Wall Street Journal states that the average 2015 graduate will have to pay back a little more than $35,000 in student loans. You can see by this graph that there has been a consistent increase in student loans per year over the last few years. By removing the optional classes that don't pertain to your degree, it will actually lower this amount more each year because the cost of tuition is increasing. They also state that almost 71% of bachelor's degree recipients need to take out student loans in order to graduate. These statistics turn away a lot of potential students from attending colleges. If some of the courses were eliminated, it would lower that amount of student loans by potentially thousands of dollars, making the degree seem more obtainable for the students. And by lowering the cost of tuition, it would also benefit student financial aid programs. College Board's 2013 student aid report showed that there was a total of $130 billion spent in the 2012-2013 school year, spread out among 15.2 million students. This could potentially send thousands others to colleges if we remove those required courses, because that would free up extra financial aid money that could benefit others. People also don't like the amount of time required to obtain a degree. After spending so much time in your schooling, high school, the last thing a lot of people want to do is attend another 4, 5, 6 years in college and then graduate from that. By removing these classes, students would possibly be able to obtain a bachelor's degree a year sooner than what they can obtain right now. Though this still results in a 3-year degree, it does seem a lot more manageable and obtainable to people. Once they graduate, students would be able to start paying back their student loans quicker since they graduated quicker, and that would lessen the interest that they would have to pay over time. As it stands today, it is possible to graduate in 3 years, but according to the Physical Times, only about 1.5% of students are able to do it, and the majority actually takes 6 years or more to obtain a bachelor's degree. These statistics also turn away a lot of students, but by eliminating the unnecessary classes and making it faster to get your degree, it becomes a lot more attractive to devote your time to it. If we are to change this waste of time and money, we're going to need help. I ask you to please consider these changes and think of the good that it will do, not only for the people that are trying to get into colleges right now, but also for the people in high school taking SATs, maybe thinking about attending colleges. It will lower the cost of tuition to the students, barely making it. It will let students graduate quicker, and it will provide financial aid for even more students. I hope that you think of the increase of students and the furthering of education. So please, write into board members, talk to administration and representatives. The louder we voice our opinion, the less they can ignore our pleas. Thank you.